How to request a refund on Vinted. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. Okay, so in this tutorial I'll show you how you can request a refund on Vinted. So if you need to request a refund or to get a refund on Vinted, don't worry, it's very simple. The first step is to log in into your Vinted account. Ensure you are logged in into the Vinted account from which the sale was made. And so once you're logged in, the next step is to move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see some icons such as your inbox, your notification, your favorite icon, then your profile icon. Once you see that, just click on it. Then in the drop down menu that appears, ensure you click on My Orders. Alright, so by clicking on My Orders, you'll be taken to the page where you would see your orders, both the one you sold and the one that you bought. So if you would like to request a refund for the item that you bought, just move to the left side of the screen, click on the bought category. And then here you see all of the orders that you bought, all of the transactions that have been completed. As you can see, my category is falling under in progress. So ensure you click on completed, all right? So you can be taken to the orders that the transaction has been completed. And so once you see that, locate the item that you would like to request a refund for. And so after selecting the item, on the items page, you would see the option initiate a refund. All right. Once you can see that, click on the option. And so after clicking on the option initiate a refund, you would see some prompt asking you to describe the issue. Why are you initiating a refund? Is it that the item is not described properly, it's damaged? Ensure you do that. And you might also need to add photos to show the problem. And so submit your request. So after you've confirmed your request, your refund request, Vinted will take care of the rest. All right, so that is it. So once your request has been submitted, wait for a while and a response will be sent to your email on how you can get your money back. So this is it. This is how you can request a refund on Vinted. So go ahead and try it out now. Thank you for watching.